Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So this is my second video and I am also pretty bad at speaking because I never experienced this before. And please, I need you guys to smash that like button and please subscribe. This is the intro though. I am bad at editing too, so don't judge me, okay? And wait, anyway guys, let's get right into the video and please subscribe Bedwars. You see, this isn't high pixel though, cause I can't afford to buy a Minecraft account. But if all of you guys who are watching this video support, and I will soon buy a Minecraft account and play high pixel. This server IP I will give it in the description below, and have fun watching the video. Okay. Anyways, guys. I don't know what to talk because, like I say, I never experienced this before. But let's just play solo. My favorite color is blue. I'm sorry for such being a quiet little man. I mean a boy. I'm just 13 years old. Okay. Wait. Distracted. Okay. That's just my sister. Why is this server lagging? I can't speed bridge though, but I can try. Oh, what? That's okay, I broke the bed though. Why is this server so lagging? Cause it's not high pixel. I want vote yes. What? Hacks. What? How? And I'm dead. Oh my god. See, I'm bad at Bedwars. Maybe it's not because I'm bad. Maybe it's the texture pack. See? If you guys who don't know Purple, my favorite YouTuber, Bedwars YouTuber, okay? I'm gonna use his texture pack. Please guys, again subscribe. I want to at least have 3 to 4 subscribers or 2 to 3 likes for the beginning. Please hold. Right now I'm working on my own texture pack. I'm making my own texture pack. If you guys like the I don't know when I'm gonna showcase it, but it's not done yet. So let's play slow. Actually guys, I'm not gonna play slow though, I'm gonna rush in and join. It's just my sister. My sister is in school right now. You see guys, today is March, right? But in April, I can't film any more videos because I have got school. Okay, just from now on. I will give you some pro tips that I got from other pro YouTuber. Like, don't defend your bed with wood, cause one is just a waste of time, and you can easily just use an axe or TNT to break it up. Like, see, I'm gonna buy TNT. Wait, I'm gonna buy iron armor. And gaps or TNT? Gaps. Gapple. Two. Wow! 4 diamonds. Never mind. For yes, I'm gonna buy sharpness. Sharpness, here I come. If red try to fight me, come on, I challenge you. Maybe I will go get some emerald. See, I'm bad at Bedwars, so to you guys who play, who who is pro at Bedwars, please subscribe though, and no, and leave in a comment down below. Leave how to. Whoa, weirdo using knockback sticks. Wow, what? I didn't get the bat. Never mind. You are dead. I'm gonna rush you, kill you. Genji, Genji. Don't use wood. I know it's cheap, only for 4 gold, but it's a waste. Whoa, I'm almost done. Oh, you missed the fireball. What a noob. I'm gonna place TNT down. You're dead? What? No. You're dead. Fast, fast. Where's the bed? Ah. And that's it, guys. I know it's a bit short, but I can't film too long. Okay? And subscribe. Have fun. Goodbye.